Across Britain, former pupils have recalled their experiences of discipline in schools during the post-war decades, describing a period when corporal punishment remained a routine feature of school life. At Moulton John Harrocks, Spalding, Sarah remembered Mrs. Jamieson fondly, while also recalling Mrs. Watts, who served as her form tutor during her final year and was known for administering punishment with what was, in fact, a green and white training shoe. From Mountain Ash Comprehensive School in South Wales, Nicola Francis remembered an unhappy relationship with the accounts teacher, stating that following an altercation she was sent to Miss Harrison of the needlework department, her form teacher, who punished her with 2 strokes of the cane across the hand. Heather, formerly of Netherhall School in Cambridge, recalled receiving punishment with the slipper from headmistress Mrs. Barrett. At Netherstowe High School in Lichfield, Sonia Hughes remembered Mr. Harvey as a teacher who frequently confused pupils' names. She recalled occasions when she received punishment by having her legs struck. Former pupils of Norfolk School in Sheffield described similar experiences. One former student remembered being caned in 1973 after answering a dinner supervisor disrespectfully and refusing to go outside during heavy rain. At North Axholme School in Scunthorpe, former pupils remembered Mrs. Musgrave of the cookery and needlework department and headmistress Mrs. Thornton, both of whom were associated with corporal punishment. North Chadderton. Comprehensive in Manchester produced many recollections of the strap being used for offences ranging from lateness to minor classroom misconduct. Former pupils recalled punishments for activities such as eating sweets during lessons or failing spelling tests. Several remembered particular teachers associated with administering the strap regularly. Former pupils from Nunthorpe Comprehensive in Middlesbrough remembered Mrs. Allen, head of girls, as a figure to whom pupils were frequently sent for punishment. At Oakmead College in Bournemouth, Dee recalled that headmistress Miss Hutt kept a cane prominently displayed in her office. A former pupil of Ockbrook School in Derbyshire remembered being physically punished by Miss Driver. At Ordsall Hall Comprehensive in Retford, one former pupil recalled accidentally setting fire to vegetation near the school grounds while smoking before receiving punishment with the cane. At Our Lady and St. Bede's School in Stockton, memories centred on a nun, Sister Mary, who was remembered for imposing corporal punishment. Former pupils from Padstow. Comprehensive in Nottingham recalled teachers including Miss Cave of Domestic Science and Deputy Head Miss Staniveski, both remembered in connection with corporal punishment. Others remembered public punishments administered during school assemblies or for comparatively minor infractions such as chewing gum. Park House School in Sheffield featured prominently in recollections of punishment for smoking, with several former pupils remembering canings administered in teachers' offices. Others recalled punishment with the slipper from teachers known for strict discipline. At Parenthorne High School in Bury, former pupils remembered receiving punishment for behaviour ranging from teasing classmates to answering teachers impolitely. Several also recalled physical punishment during physical education lessons. Former pupils of Parslow's Manor School in Dagenham remembered Mrs. Falcon as a popular figure despite her reputation for caning girls. At Pemberton Senior Girls' School in Wigan, former pupils recalled Miss Pilling and remembered receiving the cane on more than one occasion. From Pembroke Secondary School in Buckinghamshire came recollections of pupils receiving corporal punishment following playground fights or repeated visits to the head teacher's office. Penshaw School in Durham produced memories of headmistress Miss Beanie and Miss Harmon, both remembered for their use of the slipper. At Plymstock School in Plymouth, former pupils remembered occasions when groups of pupils were caned in front of classmates for talking during lessons, while others recalled punishments for smoking or general misconduct. These recollections present a portrait of an educational era in which physical punishment was widely accepted within British schools and remained an ordinary, if often controversial, aspect of discipline.